Hey guys, so today we are going to Forks, which is where Twilight was filmed, and we're gonna stop off at the high school on the way because that was filmed just a bit outside. And we're gonna spend the night in Port Angeles, which is about an hour away from Forks. Just loading up the car, getting ready to head off. So if you look behind me right now, this is Forks High School, and where I'm stood right now is where Bella was almost crushed by the truck, and it's super cool. Edward was stood over here where Dan is now, and Rosalie and everyone used to park their car just behind our car right now. And this is where they did all their scenes to walk up into school, into the cafeteria, which is actually filmed in Portland. In a high school there. Super cool, and we got lucky. It's a super sunny, bright day, so. Just had some Burger King. Dan is now doing the gas for me, and it's super cool because there's these awesome little bears that are in front of us. We're about halfway up to Port Angeles, which is where we're heading, and we're gonna stop off at the Olympic National Park in northern Washington, which is like a rainforest, and it's going to be super green and gorgeous. So super excited about that. And I keep burping because I had a Bacon King and I didn't realize how big that burger was. In Australia, the Burger Kings are like probably like this wide, whereas here they're like huge. So I just gorged myself on that, and now we got a vanilla shake with a crown on it, and we're about to head on up. About 2 more hours to go, so not too bad. We just made it to, where are we? Duc Falls. So it's like a trailhead over in the Olympic Forest in Washington, right up top, and it's super pretty. So we just like got here, and we're just gonna go and walk down to the falls and see what it's like and check it out. So I just flew the drone for the first time.
It was scary.
And it was so scary. If you've ever flown a drone, then you know what I'm talking about. But if you've never flown a drone before, like, especially in a wooded area where there's so many branches and things and stuff that you can like crash it into, I hold my breath when I get stressed, which is why I'm out of breath right now. And like, mosquitoes bit me to shreds, so I don't know if you can see that on this screen. But hopefully we got some cool footage, and I'm gonna put it in right now. Woke up and I went and got Starbucks. Mine's in the car, but we're in Port Angeles right now, which is where in Twilight Bella comes and tries on her prom dresses, and like a few things happen, and also down at the docks, which is where James and Victoria get introduced and kill the guy on the boat. But I think that was all filmed down in like Oregon or in BC. However, we decided to come to Port Angeles because that's the name mentioned in the book. So it's super cool and pretty here. It's actually really pretty here. And we're just at the wharf right now, and we can see Canada over the water, and it's just a cute little town. But I imagine in winter it's absolutely freezing because it's summer and it's like still not that warm. So beyond excited because here's the sign.
We made it.
Welcome to Forks. The city of Forks welcomes you.
So exciting.
So if you're watching this, you probably gathered that we're on a Twilight adventure right now. So to see the welcome to the city of Forks is super freaking exciting. It's Bella's truck.
Super fan of the movie.
We found Dr. Cullen's parking spot. I wonder if he's here. We've just got to the spot where Jacob Black and the Quileute people have their treaty line, which means no vampires beyond this point. No vampires. Are you a vampire? Let's see. Let's make sure you're not. Oh, he's still alive. He didn't get eaten by wolves, so he must be sweet.
Now we have to do you.
This is so exciting.
Are you a vampire?
I hear the wolves.
They're coming for you.
Let's see if we can find Jacob Black's house. We made it to Jacob Black's house. There's the motorcycle that Bella falls off and Jacob is fixing up, and funny fact is it's actually a holiday rental. So you can either go to this website or give them a call and you can actually rent Jacob and Billy Black's house, which is super cool. Check it. This is so beautiful. We are at Rialto Beach. It is like stunningly beautiful.